Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the rear fan, remove the latches on the side cover to lift it off the system. Find and unlatch the air shroud to remove it. Identify the rear fan and disconnect the cables. Remove the 2 screws and lift the fan holder out of the system. Unlatch the fan and flip it over. Disconnect the cables and remove the fan. To reinstall the rear fan, place it back in the holder and reconnect the cables. Flip the fan over and relatch it. Place the fan in the system and install the 2 screws. Plug in the cables. Relatch the air shroud. Relatch the side cover on the system. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.